Gamecocks enjoyed some warm weather Wednesday afternoon and welcomed High Point University to Carolina Stadium. After losing the series to Clemson this past weekend, the Gamecocks bounced back against Charleston Southern University Tuesday night, winning 10-4. Can the Gamecocks continue their dominating performance? Let's take it to the highlight to find out. Gene Cohn got the Gamecocks day started with a leadoff walk, which brought Kyle Martin up to bat, and he hits that one right out of the park. Alex Sestino singles to right field to set up Max Schrock, who steps into the box, and that ball is gone. Back-to-back two-run homers give the Gamecocks an early 4-0 lead. With bases loaded and one out in the second, Sestino singles to left center, scoring both Marcus Mooney and Cohn. Then Elliot Caldwell scores on Schrock's sac fly. The Gamecocks have a commanding 7-0 lead after two. High Point saw their opportunity in the third with bases loaded and nobody out, and Dane McDermott hits a two-run single up the middle. The Panthers cut the Gamecocks' lead to 7-2. Another bases-loaded opportunity for the Gamecocks as Caldwell singles to left field, scoring DC Arendas. Then Martin comes up to bat and hits a two-run single to the same spot, scoring both Cohn and Mooney. After three, the Gamecocks lead 10-2. Mooney extends the Gamecocks' lead in the fourth to 11-2 with a sac fly to right, scoring Arendas. High Point saw another bases-loaded chance, and Ton Fortier-Benson grounded out to second, scoring McDermott. The Gamecocks had a strong pitching day, with their four pitchers throwing a total of 10 strikeouts. Then South Carolina goes on to win it 11-3. A pair of two-run homers in the first gave the Gamecocks an early lead, and from that point on, the Panthers never had a chance to catch up. South Carolina will host Miami this weekend for a three-game series. For Capital City Sports, I'm Claudia Chikamian.